What's good, BJ boys? Just showing how I cleaned out the engine bay on this 2002 Lexus IS 300. And yeah, I picked up a couple of things at the store, some purple power degreaser and some trim shine. And I made sure that I had some aluminum foil just laying around the house to wrap any of the electrical components that I might want to keep safe, and made sure that I had at least one beer in the fridge. This was a single beer job, but if you think it's going to take a while, then you might want to make sure that you have a couple more of those in the fridge.
2 hours later.
Before I put it in, I smack her ass.
Me voy a matar, este es mi último. Uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I need it!
I chose to do 2 rounds of the degreaser and washing. After the first round, it probably wasn't going to get that much better, and I only let it sit for about a minute before washing it off. And I could have grabbed a brush or something else to help agitate it and scrub off a little bit of the grease, but not a big deal. It was just going for a solid overall clean. It didn't have to be absolutely perfect, but yeah. After finishing the second wash, I just grabbed my shop vac real quick to try and help along the drying process. I wanted it to be, as dry as could be before applying the trim shine, although I was working against some storm clouds that were rolling in. So I was definitely trying to rush it along, but, as long as it's dry, then you should be good to go.
One eternity later.
After it had fully dried, I grabbed some trim shine and applied it pretty liberally to most of the surface areas. It should be fine to apply on almost anything that it's going to touch. I did go around and just clean up some of the spots that were a little bit too thick afterwards, and just trying to prevent it from collecting any additional dust that it was going to. Yeah, and that's it. I've got a couple of photos just showing the before and in the middle and after, and it came out really nice. If you want to stay up to date on all the BJ Boys content, just hit like and subscribe. Thanks.